Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add members in Cllickup. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Cllickup and then just go to left top corner and you're gonna see my settings. There are actually a few ways how we can do it. There are two ways actually. The first way, you just click my settings and here you're gonna see a YouTube workspace and just click here themes or people, and you can like invite by email, and just click invite, and you can also change if it's going to be admin or a member. And right now when I would go to my mail, I'm going to show you. Let me show you how it looks like, what the person is going to get. Look at this. Join the YouTube workspace Cllickup team. Marcus Stone invited you, and you just accept invite, and voila. So I need to sign up then. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you in here. Goodbye.